Hämeenkatu 25 in Tampere. Staircase A. This weather is going to be modernized. Other weather also. After a few months. So let's take last ride. I think this first ride also, and I have built staircase B before. The 1992 by Valmet Otis V1 KE 1088. Seventh floor. Four person 325 kilograms. These are quite slow elevators. Let's hope that new ones are faster, but they are still just boring. This is amazing. And neatly spotted station. Ground floor. Focus 325 kilograms. Inspected by Inspector and maintained by Köln. This is also one of the last Valmet Otis elevators. Last Valmet Otis elevators are from I think early 1992 or something. Yeah. Seventh floor. Ground floor. That's it.